Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use AI for course content. So in these days, there are tons of AI tools and platforms that can help you create your course content. So as you can see here, I will be showing you this a few tools that can help you, but I can't guarantee that these tools are for free. So let's start with the first one here, which is a Learn Words. All you have to do is to create an account, and then after that, you can now pick a template for your school. So you can share your experience, like what's your main objective? Do you have experience with online training? How would you identify yourself, and so on? All you have to do is to answer these questions, and then tap on Finish. Now, to start, I'm not really sure if this one is for free, but if you want to proceed, then you need to go on or purchase or upgrade your plan, but this is what it looks like. So at least you have your idea about this site, which is Learn Board. Now we have here the heights. You can create a self as grow communities here, your all-in-one solution to turn knowledge into income. So basically, you can start and create your AI course content here. All you have to do is to fill in this information to create your program, and again, I'm not sure if this one is for free, but if you want to continue, then you can go to heights.com and then sign up and just go and start your course content. And then Thinkific, but you need to basically upgrade your plan. This one is not for free, but you can try if you want. Now, talking about how to create or how to use AI for course content, then you can also use AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini AI to create a course content or at least give you an idea on how to start. So, for example, we will be using this ChatGPT to create a course content. So basically, first you have to understand what AI can do for you. It can help you generate course ideas, build structure, outlines, write lessons and scripts, create slides, generate voiceover, which is 11 labs, and personalized learning experiences. As you can see here, I'm currently using ChatGPT, and as you can see, I will be focusing on marketing business. For example, help other people learn about business marketing or anything about marketing world. As you can see, ChatGPT will generate module one, two, three. You can create six modules, and then you can be very specific with that. You can also use Gemini AI. For me, it's easier and it's more detailed, but actually it depends on your prompt. But this time, I want to use Gemini AI. As you can see, I have here course, introduction, course overview, and then phase one, which is also considered as module one, two, three. Now, out from that modules, you can also create a script. All you have to do is be specific with your prompt, like write 5 minute lesson plan script, or it's up to you. And as you can see, Gemini AI will generate this. So this is the first lesson, and as you can see, there's also timeline. And what you're going to do next is you have to convert this into audio or voiceover. So in that case, you can use CapCut or you can use 11 Labs. So all you have to do here is create an account on 11 Labs. But also, I want to show you Notion. If you want to organize your plans, you can also use Notion, but we will not be focusing on that. So let's move on to creating voiceover. All you have to do is to copy this script and then create an account on 11 Labs. Here in 11 Labs, it just need your Google account, your email or password, or just connect it to your Google account. For me, it's the easiest. So once you have created an account, just paste the script from Gemini AI. And then in 11 Labs, you can choose what type of character or voice. All you have to do is go to the right side. And if you want to use more voices, you can upgrade your plan. But since I'm using the basic version, then I just have to choose from the samples right here. Once you have selected your voice right here in 11 Labs, you can tap on Generate Speech. And then after that, tap on the download button. So once you're done, then what you're going to do is you have to basically start creating your content course platform. You can use Canva for that. So all you have to do is to create an account in Canva. And then after that, If you want to create ebook or if you just want to create presentation, you just have to go to templates, look for marketing, then it will show you tons of templates for that, or go to elements if you want to start from scratch. And then look for a specific keyword, or let's just say word, let's just say marketing, and then it will show you this graphics. If you want animated, then you can look for animation and then look for animated. Add these elements and objects right here. You can change the background color. You can add text. You can add whatever you want right here. You can also add videos, photos if you want. So for animation, just tap on animation and click animated and it will show you this. And then you can now add your text or more elements if you want. And then you can add your voiceover. To do that, just tap on the uploads right here and then upload the file from 11 Labs, drag it below. You can preview and then after that you can tap on share and then download. And it's up to you if you want to share this as video or MP4. Just tap on MP4. And basically that's it. Now if you want to tap on the PDF version, it will not move anything right here. The element will not be moved. But if you want to make a good presentation, I strongly suggest to tap on the MP4. After that, you can optimize everything, like simplify this lesson if you want to add more. And then if you want also to repurpose content, you can look for YouTube, TikTok clips, and blog posts. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorial.